Okay, quick test on the SB28. Now this is a sandblasting pot with a built-in hoover. It's not a pressurized pot, so it relies on suction, so it will need a good compressor because it doesn't pressurize like our SB10 or SB20 or SB26 pots, which are pressurized pots. Now these sell for about, there we are, 250 quid, £244.99 rather. And like in front of me I've got this, all accounts this is a part of a big industrial dryer. Now the customer says people leave things in their pockets and the plastic melts and it gets stuck in these. Now to me it's not the best thing to be using, because you would normally use this on flat surfaces, because the hoover then will, you know, suck in the material, the blasting, what you've been blasting back into the pot, and you'll keep reusing it. But this has got lots of holes in. But I'm going to give it a go anyway. I've just had a quick go on that. So I'm going to turn the hoover on now, and I'm using, what media did I put in this? I can't remember now, bloody hell. Aluminium silica. Right, okay, so I've had a quick go, and you can see it's cleaning up the metal, but those melted in bits of plastic are going to be a bit of a pig to remove by the looks. So hoover on, so it's going to be noisy. And there we are. So on the flat surface, flat surface, see that's cleaning up nicely. Moving all like that. Now this is where they're going to struggle. It's cleaning it up nicely. Still a bit messy because of all the holes, so the media is just going to shoot through the holes. Keep going for a little bit longer. Let's see if we can work on this now. That. Whatever that is. Looks straight down there. Across here, love. Right there. There you go. You can see it cleans it up nicely, but this is where this customer is going to struggle with all this stuff that's melted into the hose. Maybe a pressure cabinet, a pressure pot would be better for them, not the SB28. They're trying to contain the mess and reuse as much media as possible, but as you can see, it's going to take a long time. Well, there you go. That is it. The SB28.